Hi there and welcome. It's Melissa here and I'm so happy you're joining me today. I'm excited to show you my latest haul from Hobby Lobby and how I styled it in my home. So without further ado, let's check it out.
First things first, let's talk about rugs. I love area rugs. Hobby Lobby seems to have a lot of variety of different area rugs as well as matching runners, and I love how this just adds some depth. It adds some color into my space, but it also adds some warmth. And so I love using this. You can change it up. I can add it in different areas of my house. I haven't really committed, as you can see, to where I'd like to put this rug, so stay tuned. I might change it. Next, I found these beautiful stems. And if you have ever gone into a Hobby Lobby store, you know that as soon as you walk in, immediately you will find all of the beautiful stems and branches that you can buy. And the one thing that I'm always keeping my eye out is that realistic looking branch. What is going to look like? Yes, I definitely have a lavender bush in my backyard and I cut them and then brought them inside to place them in these beautiful baskets. Thanks for asking. So I'm hoping that you will find just that right touch for your own home. It may not be these lavender, but there are a lot of variety as well. And pillows. I love pillows. I hope you do too. I seem to find that I can look and basically every corner of my house has pillows somewhere. And so I was really excited to find these beautiful velvet looking pillows that go not only well with the colors that I'm going for in my home, but there is actually a lot of variety of colors at Hobby Lobby that you can buy in this very same style. And the tufted look or that pin tuck look really creates an elevated style. And next I have, again, with the branches, with that faux kind of stems, I found the whole tree, the whole shebang. And what I really like is that you can add certain decorative elements like this plant stand that just gives it extra height. It also gives it some extra style and warmth because there's a lot of wood in it. And what I really like is the branches are easy to move around. You can adjust it to your liking. It again adds some life to maybe a corner that otherwise doesn't have life. And I like that you don't necessarily have to have the height. I don't have to use the plant stand here because you can see it really does look nice by itself. And what I can do is use that plant stand in other areas. Hey, I told you I really like plants here. So next I found these beautiful towels, and what I really loved about them is that it adds that extra, almost like a damask kind of pattern. It just elevates it without adding too much color. I didn't really want to commit too much to a color one way or the other, and this just gives it a little bit more of an elegant feel. And the nice thing is you can roll those together and you can make a nice little vignette for guests when you're using your bathroom or powder room, or you can have it for whenever you need it at your fingertips. And ginger jars. Wow, I can't tell you the love of ginger jars that I have. I seem to gravitate towards those blue and white style ginger jars, but I found these white ones at Hobby Lobby and I couldn't believe how beautiful it was. It adds that elevated style. It gives it a high-end look, and it wasn't a high-end price, so that was really nice about it. And I can group it together. And the nice thing is, even if I do change the colors that I'm using in my house, this I won't have to change. And then lastly, well, I am a fan of all things French, anything that has that old world feel to it, that European look. And to me, this really did scream French. And again, I love that I'm adding some greenery or some life to maybe a dull space or a lifeless area in my home. And I'm not going to risk killing any plants in the making because it is fake. So I hope that you love the looks of some of the Hobby Lobby finds that I have brought home into my house and have styled it. I hope that you find some inspiration in this. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider liking and subscribing. It always helps to grow my channel. And until next time, happy decorating, everyone.
Hello and welcome.